Hey all my adventurers, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscription button. If you've been supporting me from the beginning or recently joined the family, I thank you so very much. In today's vlog, I'll be showing you guys this beautiful Airbnb which is located right in the center of Montego Bay, St. James, Jamaica. And yeah, not gonna be too much talking. Let's get straight into it. So this is Ironsore Townhouse and it's at La Chateau, right? So this is the entrance right here. This is me pulling up, right? And the beauty with this Airbnb is that it's roughly 10-15 minutes away from the Sangster International Airport. So, right there and then that's not too far. And as you can see, it's very much secure and gated. And let me take this time out to mention that I have a tour and transportation company. So if it is that you're coming here to Jamaica, whether this Airbnb or staying at a hotel and you're looking for tours and transportation, then be sure to head over to my website. But especially for this Airbnb, if you're coming here and you want to book different excursion, we can do a combo deal. Just hit me up. But let's get into the vlog. All right, guys, so as I mentioned in the intro, this is a new Airbnb right here in Montego Bay, St. James. So let's go. Right now we're at unit 22, right? And as you can see from the outside, it's quite secured. We have our ring camera right here, and then this is where you have to punch in the code. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. All right, guys, let's come on inside, right? All right, so you see this is the living room, nice, clean, spacious. Come on, let's go around this way, right? So we have AC, windy, so enough to worry, guys. Air condition is here, yeah, right beside the desk area. So if you a little desk right here in the corner, so for those persons who are coming here on a business trip and so forth, we have that. Also want to point out right here, we have the dining area, so at least 4 persons can sit comfortable right here, and also the island where you can seat another 2, right? So this me saying all of that to let you guys know that this Airbnb hosts up to 6 persons, right? So we're gonna go to the bedroom shortly so you can see, but hosts up to 6 persons. Now let's go over to the kitchen, right? Nice, clean, right? Nice appliances. Come over here, so let's show the people them Frigidaire, right? Have your stove. We have all of the necessary utensils that you would need, right? Coffee maker is right here, right? Toaster, kettle, double sink. Right, let's go in the cupboard. All right, so we have all of the glassware right here, right? So all you need, right, for a comfortable stay. We know that some people have chef, or if it is that you're looking to have a chef that come and do some cooking for you while you're here, then that's an option as well. There's also a nice, big, spacious, clean fridge. Yeah. Samsung. Yeah, the good things them. LG. The good things them. Yeah. All right. There's also a wash area right here. So if you come, sometimes if you want to come here and spend 2 weeks, you can do that, So, we have the washer right here, and then there's a dryer right there as well. And that's also the water heater. So, you don't have to worry about if hot water is here. Hot water is here, yeah. And there's also a little room right here. I'm going to show it to you guys, which, can pass as a little quiet area. Sometimes they want your own space, but to be very honest, I'm going to speak to the host because this area can also be transformed into another bedroom. The bedrooms are upstairs, so we're not go up there as yet, but this is a nice little area. It has the TV right there, and it has the sofa. You can sit back, relax, watch some television, and some people them like sleep on couch and them someday, so yeah, there's also a fan, a ceiling fan in the area. All right, see there. Place is very secured, guys. All right. So just gonna go around the back, trying to see how it run. All right, 5 blocks. Now the main reason for coming out here, I want to show you guys again. The ring camera system is on the outside, right? And there's also a generator around here. All right, so. This is a generator, we live in a tropical island, so sometimes GPS fail we and light goes. But as you can see, we have a generator right here. So even if you're here, there's no electricity, the generator will kick in. Guys, so one more look at the living room. Oh, I forgot to mention on the living room, this is a pull-out bed. Sofa thing, right? So you can pull out and come up, You know, you get the idea. I mean, I don't really want to disrupt the people in place, but you get the idea, right? So you go in easy, yes. So that. And I also forgot to show you guys the TV in the living room and what is happening. This is me. It's me, guys. Again, guys, please like, share, comment, subscribe, turn on post notification. Follow me over on Instagram as well as YouTube. I also have a tour company, so I do transportation. I bring people from point A to point B. I help to book excursions. I have a website which will be in the link, will be in the description below. So if it is that you're traveling to Jamaica and you're looking for a tour company, then please don't hesitate to reach out to me by heading over my website or messaging me on Instagram or even on WhatsApp. All right, now for the rest of the tour. All right, guys, we're gonna head upstairs, but before we head upstairs, let me show you guys this half bathroom right here, which is on the ground floor, right? Right, so here it is, right? And you know, guys, I am looking at myself in this mirror and I'm telling you my makeup is on point. I just want to take this moment, come closer, cameraman, right? Take this moment to pick up my sister at ST Beauty Box. So if you're traveling to Jamaica and you're looking for a makeup artist, whether for a wedding, whether for a party, carnival season is coming up, then again, don't hesitate to reach out. My sister does the best makeup, as you can see, right? Period. So yeah. Anyways, yeah, so the half bath, we'll do one more look at the half bathroom. Right, nice, clean. I'm gonna tell the people in here smell nice. In here smell nice. Right as you exit the half bathroom, there's a lovely mirror right here, and then these are these little lights, which, you know, again, in Jamaica, light always gone and look something, but with this house has thought about every single thing, right? So you just press it, you get me? But anyways, we're heading up the stairs. I remember when I tell you so the place smell nice. This is it. Yes. Alright, guys, so let me take you into the master bedroom. Let's go. Come on, come on, come on. So this is it, right? Nice, big, king size bed. I'm telling you guys, it's very soft, very comfortable. I'm getting a bit too comfortable. Yeah, at the memory foam there, in addition, I make you feel it at the memory foam. The good things them. But right, so for those who are coming to spend a week or more, you know, some people like unpack, some people don't like unpack. You know, we have the Chester drawer right here, and again a television, and this is me again, amandas876adventures. Guys, please like, share, comment, subscribe. Head over to my website if you're looking for tours and transportation. And as I mentioned before, the makeup was done by my lovely sister at ST Beauty Box on Instagram. Right now there's a closet area as well, so let me just. Right, so you guys have your bathrobe, you know, and I just tell them something there, you know, right? Good things, them nice, clean, fresh bathrobe. You have your iron, and you have extra linen, extra pillows, and there's also a safety box right here. Yeah, if you want to lock away your valuables, your passport, all of them, something there, then yes. And there's also an ironing board in the corner right here, right? Right. Now let's go. And again, guys, I want to point out that they have a lot of these different extensions, right? So you have the 3 plug, and then you have the USB and the Type C, yeah. And the Wi-Fi, there's also a router up here, so you don't have to worry about Wi-Fi, right? You don't have to worry about AC. Again, another winning. You don't have to worry about hot water. We have all of that, right? And also, what I want to show you guys is the view from here, right? Out here on the balcony with a lovely pool view. And once you stay here, you also have access to that lovely pool. And we're going to head down there shortly. Before we head down there, let me finish up with the rest of the room. All right, guys, let's head to the bathroom. You know, nice, clean, it smells good. Let me show you guys a shower. All right. All right, it's a half shower. All right. I know I always come in at the people in place and turn on the pipe, so we're gonna do just that. See that? Rainfall. Pass on slow mo. Look at the bathroom. So you have the fresh towels in the corner. There's also a blow dryer right here, a towel rack, right? Like I said, nice, clean. I have adequate covered space underneath here, right? If you want to come and pack out your makeup and store your stuff. And the owner's gonna get some makeup cloths as well. So there's that. And then forgot to show you guys the mirror. So this is the full length mirror that is here. All right, guys, so let's go into the other bedroom. All right, this is it. All right, so this is a secondary bedroom. This is a queen size bed. Right, it's just as comfortable, memory foam just the same. And again, we have a fan as well as the AC, which is going, keeping me cool. And on the television, of course, hey, it's me, right? So you can't say all of the TV them work. Anytime I come in at the people in place and do the Airbnb vlog, but I always turn on the television. Yeah, let myself get look more viewings on them something. Guys, check out the different videos that I have, right? I have a playlist on different Airbnbs. I have a playlist on different hotels in Jamaica, different things to do in Jamaica, hidden gems, all of that stuff, right? So just check it out. Anyways, this is the other closet area door. Right, we have the robes. I mean, I tell you guys, it's nice and soft. You know, look on it, you can see the quality, you know. Yes, nice and soft. And we have the towels and the hangers. Yes, guys, that's me. Remember, subscribe. Subscribe. Oh, let's head into the bathroom, right? All right. Again, the bathroom is just similar to the one that was in the master. Again, we have the blow dryer. We have the nice area, we have the extra towels, the rugs. Look at this, soak, unwind, breathe, relax. You know, so when you come to Jamaica, that you come here for do, you come here for kick back and relax, yeah? But even though you come here to do that, you still have to go out and see Jamaica, so make sure you check out my website, you know, the link in the description below, you know. Alright, anyways, come let me show you the bathroom, the shower. Alright? This is a shower. Alright? And see them have the shampoo, the conditioner, and the body wash, right? So you guys not have to be not confused or anything. Yeah, that is it. Sorry. Alright, guys, so one more look. And again, hold on, let me turn. Guys, the makeup was done by my lovely sister. Right, the makeup was done by my lovely sister. So check her out at ST Beauty Box. Alright, guys, let's go outside and see what this balcony looks like. Also, the same security, something, you know, secured, you know. Anyways, right? So this is a nice other balcony area, right? Right, so if you want to come out here, so have a little smoke break. You know, you can sit back, kick back, unwind. You know? Yeah, I can come out here with a drink. Yeah, I just take in the fresh air and all of them something there. You get me? So yeah, this is a nice little spot that I have out here. And as you can see, it is large enough for at least 6 persons, right? At least 6 persons, it's large enough. And there's a also, guys, I want to show you that they have this as well. So this is a pest rejector. So you know, Jamaica again, that's how we do. So we have all of a mosquito and them look something there. But these, you can see that they've thought about everything beforehand, right? So yeah, not have to worry about the mosquito bite them. Alright, again, me on the television does good quality vlogs. If you have an Airbnb or anywhere that you want to advertise, then you know you can hit me up. amandas876adventures. Alright, now we're gonna go downstairs, we're gonna go outside, I'm gonna show you guys the pool area. Guys, let's head over to the pool area. Right, not a really big pool, but it's still a nice pool, and I believe they have a little jacuzzi area. Alright, oh, this is it. This is a little jacuzzi area, little hot tub vibe. Yeah, you get me? Yeah, the jets them, it a bubble. Right, and then you come over. All right, so it's a nice pool area. It's a little infinity pool. It's not too big, it's not too small, it's just the right size, right? Also, guys, I want to apologize for some of the quality of the video. I recorded my iPhone and I have the challenge where one of the iPhone, the port doesn't work, so I cannot connect the mic, and the mic is really what I used in this particular vlog. But the other camera that allows me to connect the mic, the camera isn't good, and we have to vlog on 0.5. But I'm striving to buy a DJI content creator kit so that I can get better quality videos to you guys in a timely manner instead of always doing voiceovers. And if you're feeling so kind, I'll be leaving a link in the description where you can give me a small donation towards that. Alright guys, so this is the pool, and I'm just realizing that there's actually a little gym out here that you guys have access to. I mean, I don't know, nothing too great, but you know, there's still something here, right? So we have the adjustable weights in the corner right here, a mat, you know, elliptical, right? Look, the bicycle, and then this is the compact treadmill right here. This wants to look like a row, and then I'm not sure what this is, but it's here. Right? And there's also a restroom outside. So let me show you guys the restroom. So guys, don't pee in the pool. Right? There's the restroom. Alright. So it's so it's a gender neutral bathroom, right? So we have the urinal and the toilet, and there's also a shower right on this side, right? You have the hand towel, right? Guys, if you made it this far, thank you so very much. That's basically the end. I thank you for your support, and now check out these bloopers, all right? Guys, the place is very secured, right? You have kind of too secured. Cut.
That's a dummy. The top of the one dummy, so once you open the bottom one, just pull it.
I like 5 blocks. That work, you know, people. Alright, see there? And I also forgot to show you the TV, but I don't made it on the TV. What are they? Don't you see them there? Oh, right? Oh my God, that's again. Nice pool view over there as well. Cameraman, show them the pool view though. Go cut that. So this is the jacuzzi area. You know, the water nice and it's not hot or warm. And one of the compact. But it is right there.